Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to enable and set up FaceTime on iPhone. So, first of all, what you need to do is open up the settings application on your iPhone. And after that, you need to scroll down and you will get to see the FaceTime app. Tap on it. Make sure to turn this toggle on, which is to enable the FaceTime app. Now, people can contact you on all your devices with FaceTime using your phone number or email address. Now, what you need to do is go back to your home screen and tap to open the FaceTime application. Here, you can create a link and start using FaceTime. So that is exactly how you can enable and set up FaceTime on iPhone in 2024. Thanks for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.